Hello everyone. So in this particular lesson we'll look into how to create video overview. In the last previous session we have seen in detail how to create a audio overview. So video overview will come with a presentation, okay, in a visual theme. Let's get started. So first we will add a source. So I will show you another way of adding a source, okay. So we will create a video overview on AI in education, okay. So click here, okay. You can give something like this, okay. Future of education in 2030 report, okay. File type PDF, okay. These are the way you can add, okay. And click on search. It will search the web, okay. Even you can search your local drive. I'll not go into that now. So it has created and it has searched for the resources, okay. You can just click on import here. Okay, we have got around 5 sources. So if you can see, it has searched for the PDF over here, so you don't have to download and upload the PDF. It will directly get fetched from the internet. Yeah, so it has created the summary. Let's go into video overview. Okay, again we have seen in audio overview there were 4 different formats. So here there are explainer and brief, okay. So I will just click on brief here, okay, and language I'll leave it at English. If you click on custom, so you can describe visual style, okay. It is like try a story like style, a children storybook illusion, okay, something like that. So to get started I will use something like papercraft, okay. So what should AI host focus on, right? So for that we can give something like this. Okay. Create a structured 6-slide video overview script explaining the future of AI in learning. Okay. Each slide should have a title, 3 bullet points and speaker notes. Okay. So we can create something like this. Let's go for explainer video itself. Okay. So it might take a while. We can click on generate here. So it has created the explainer video overview. Okay. Let's have a look at it. You have to click on play over here.
For the longest time, right, AI in the classroom felt like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But what we all just imagined is, well, it's here. It's real. So today, we're going to unpack how AI is getting past all the hype and actually showing up in our schools. And here's the key thing. It's not about replacing teachers. It's about creating a way of learning that's more personal, more effective, and believe it or not, more human.
Okay, so for ages, education has had this one big, kind of nagging problem. The whole one size fits. And look,
So if you look at it, it has considered all these sources and created this particular video overview of around 4 minutes. Okay, we asked for 5 minutes, but that's okay. You can improvise it. So this is the way you can create a video. You can even play it full screen over here, okay, and you can share it with the same steps I explained before. You can even show the prompt, okay. So remember, this was the prompt we had given. Okay, you can even download in mp4 format. Okay, and you can use it in your any of the school, or even on YouTube videos. Okay, so this is how you can make use of audio overview. So other way is, remember there was a brief option. Okay, let me go for custom. So say that use it as awareness video for grade 8 and grade 9 teachers. Okay, things to try: be specific to topic, clearly call out pros and cons of AI in education. Okay, okay, you can specifically tell that what needs to be focused on. Okay, so let's try it here. So this is the brief option over here, and I have selected custom. You can also auto select. Okay, in that case it will choose whatever style, visual style is suitable for this particular video overview. Let's get started. So the previous one will remain here. So new video overview will come just above that. Okay, so don't worry, your work will not be lost. Okay, so whatever version you create here, everything will just stack up. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so this is also been created, the brief video, you can see it here. So previous one was explainer. Okay, so this is of around 2 minutes.
AI is changing our schools like right now. So let's break down the good and the bad. And get this, by 2030, the AI in education market is set to hit over $32 billion. This isn't some far off future. The real tipping point was late 2022. Now it's everywhere. So the question really isn't if AI is part of learning. The real is a true learner-centered. Okay, but it's not all.
If you can see here in the prompt, we had given use it as an awareness video for grade 8 and 9 teacher. Okay, so clearly call out pros and cons of the AI in education. So it has done exactly that. Okay, so this is how you can create a video overview. Okay, I want you to explore each of the option what you have over here. Okay, and try it in a different languages, and whatever language you are comfortable, and whatever language you teach in schools, or this the example what I gave was specific to schools, but you can do it for in your business, and if you are studying. Okay, even for that you can create explainer video. I will show it in a future videos in how to create a explainer video, and even for your boardrooms, and in your business, and for presentation, sales presentation, you can use video overview. And if you are a content creator, this is the boon where you can collect collect a lot of YouTube videos itself, and create a explainer video out of it. It could be of recent news, or you want to discuss something with a video, you can create using video overview. Thank you.